How to change the press and hold of your power button for your Google Pixel phone with Android 15, whether it's going to access the power off menu or the digital assistant. To change the long press function of your power button, go ahead and use the quick access, pull it down at least twice, and you'll see the settings toggle right there. Once you go into the settings toggle, in the search menu here, you will see that you can search for words that will take you to certain items. So type in the words power menu, like this here, and you're gonna see the press and hold one right there. As you enter into it, it's gonna take you straight down to where you need to go next. When you go into it, you're gonna see this right here. And usually at default, it might be set to the digital assistant, which will have the press and hold duration settings here. And when you long press your power button here, it will most likely take you to the Gemini here if you have the latest update. But if you want the power off menu, switch it to this one there. And when you long press it, it's gonna be like this here. Now, if you wanna keep the digital assistant as your long press function, you can also go into the long double swipe of the quick access and you'll see the power off toggle right here. That'll take you to this here. So that's that, like and sub.